If you're looking in the mirror and you notice your hair falling out, it's a horrible feeling. I don't care who you are, I don't care how tough you are.
It really affects your confidence level.
Get these little jabs of, self-doubt.
I want the best technology. I only want to do this one time. I found the ARTAS robot, and certainly the robot with the precision, the repeatability was really a first choice for me.
There really is no scar where they pulled the hair from.
I had incredible results.
Well, now you're looking in the mirror and you're seeing your hair grow back, and that is just a great feeling.